In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Workspace as a virtual assistant to stay organized, manage client tasks, and boost your productivity. So whether you're just starting or already have clients, this guide will help you maximize your tools. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Google Workspace and already log in with your credentials in here. And if you don't have a business account in here yet, follow the steps on screen to register your business name, choose a domain, and then or use your one or you already own, and then set up your professional email like your name or like calcifer dot or calcifer at calci.com, something like that. So once done, you'll get access to suite of tools under one login. So now, in terms of using Gmail professionally, so Gmail is your main communication hub. So you can create custom labels for each client, schedule emails using the send later features, and you can use templates for fast replies and add your signature with business info and things. So this makes you look professional and stay efficient in email. So now in terms of Google Calendar, in terms of managing tasks and schedulers or schedules, you can use Google Calendar to set appointments and deadlines for client tasks, share calendars with clients for better coordination, and the third one, you can also set up recurring events and time blocking in here. And you can even sync it to your phone so you'll never miss anything. So, in terms of storing files in Google Drive, so with Google Drive, you can store and organize client files, spreadsheets, documents, and videos, and also reports and contracts. So create a separate folders for each client and share only what they need. So you can control who can view, comment, or edit. So now in terms of using a Google Docs, sheets, slides like this. So this is the docs, this is the sheets, this is the slides, and this is the forms. So in terms of that, Google Docs is perfect for writing reports and then creating SOPs or client updates. And then you can also use Google Sheets to manage your budgets, trackers, and schedules. You can also use Google Slide. It's useful if you need to present proposal or pitch decks. You can collaborate in real time, which is very helpful when working remotely. So, in terms of meeting with your clients for a video calls, you can use the Google Meet because that is built into Google Workspace and lets you set up video meetings and send invites directly from calendar. So you can share your screen during your calls and so on. And that's it. So, and that's how you can use Google Workspace as a visual assistant or virtual assistant. So, with the right setup, you'll be able to manage multiple clients, stay organized, and look professional all the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.